Hey guys, so fucking terrible day today. Terrible day. I guess let's just get into it. This morning traded the four 50K combines, lost 500 on a pretty shit trade. And the worst part about it is, like, in live time, I thought it was way better than it was. And after talking to people about it and looking at it again, it just wasn't good at all. We're on NQ. I mean, it's this. Like, I have an argument why I like it, but it's just like, again, like, this generated liquidity is awesome. So I was just like kind of looking at longs pre-market, and then price was also in this 4-hour gap, and it was respecting it perfectly. The wick looks super good, but it's the last gap that got made in the leg. So, like, I'm so on edge, or not on, it's weird, but I'm so, like, on the edge, because, yes, like, I can see this working, like, continuing, making a gap, and continuing off the gap. But, like, today didn't. Another reason why the trade wasn't good, I didn't see this. What didn't I see? There was these. Haha. There were equal 15-minute lows. Yeah, didn't see that. Shouldn't be trading against equal lows. And there's just a lot of rebalancing that price needs to do before it picks a direction, I guess. So that's why the trade was bad. Another reason why I thought it was good in live time was, okay, 9:30 open lower, made a really nice wick. See, now, like, as I'm looking at it, I'm realizing this low made the equal lows, and, like, I was blind to that because I'm staring at this 2-minute inversion, hoping it gets inversed. Something else to add to the trade: 5-minute gap here, and that was my break even at that high. And even worse, go to MQ. Some bullshit. Go to MQ and it makes equal highs. I was this close to going break even, but last time a trade made equal highs at my break even point, I went break even. I think it might have been one of the first trades in this. Went break even, and it ended up being the wrong decision. But I don't go break even, and it was the wrong decision again. So I just can't seem to win. And let's just continue talking about the day. So yeah, this doesn't play out. Really close to going break even. Doesn't. I think I was in the middle of saying this. Price opens lower, makes the 9:30 low, comes back up, makes a 9:30, makes this, I mean, I say like 9:30 high, but it's really like opening price high, and it's a really big liquidity point because the market wants to stop out people buying and selling at market open. Makes another high here, so I'm like, awesome. Price then comes back down, sweeps this 9:30 low, makes 15-minute equal highs, respects the 4-hour gap, so I'm like, wow. Or, I know, I like the 15-minute equal low is not a good thing, but I didn't see that in time. So right now I'm like, wow, manipulate the buyers at this not at 9:30 open while respecting the 4 hour. We inversed the 2 minute with momentum. A really good candle closure. Oh yeah, like break even could have been here. It would have saved me 500 beans on 4 accounts. Yeah, I got a lot of thinking to do. Oh yeah, right here, I didn't get stopped at. I thought I had a chance, but it stopped me out. A lot of thinking, a lot of journaling to do. That wasn't the end of my day. Cool. FOMC starts at 2. I'm 2 for 2 on CPI gambles. So I put my Express and my 4 fundeds together. I risked 2 minis at 400 risk. I set my brackets to 400 stop, and I also set my daily loss limit to 400. And I could not have got wicked any harder. It might have hit my whatever you. It might have hit it like. Oh my god! It might have been like that, and I got instantly stopped. For, with slippage, 500 across every account. So, really, really bad day. And yeah, I mean, I had all day to think about it. So, I'm fine now. I know I'm like kind of crashing out. But I'm fine now. We move on. Trading's about coming back from your losses, learning from your losses. Also, taking accountability. I've low-key been a bit lackadaisical with my journaling. So I'm going to lock in on my journaling a little more. And when I say lackadaisical, I mean like I do the review of my trade. I used to take a screenshot of the trade, write down my emotions in a Google Doc, but I've been like recording the recap and I've not been doing it, so I'm gonna get back to doing that. Maybe that gets my mind back in the right place. I think I might do it on paper. No, I'm not doing it on paper because I like taking a screenshot of the trade and looking at it. So yeah, I'm gonna end up changing my journaling up. The accounts are in super drawdown. I was just thinking. Yeah, the accounts are in super drawdown. I have a free 4 accounts that Topstep gave me. $500 of drawdown on that's one trade. So maybe I can save the day this week, but yeah, head's still in a good space. We just gotta work through the L's. This is where people quit, and we're never quitting. So yeah, I think that's it. I'll end it there, and yep.